Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we're working on the core. What we got today is 10 different exercises. We're gonna perform each one for 25 repetitions. It's a no repeat workout and the break between the exercises is very minimum, just enough to change from exercise to exercise. I've said enough, let's get going and I'll see you guys in about 5 seconds. All right, and we are back. Let's get down on the ground for some leg raises. Like I said, 25 repetitions per exercise. So on these, make sure you protect your lower back. Place your hands under your lower back, under your butt, and then keep that lower back pressed against the ground at all times. You guys ready to go? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1. Like I said, it's gonna be a lot of counting for me today. 3, 4. It's okay. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Control that movement all the way through, don't forget. 3, 4. That's 15. 10 left, we got this. 250 repetitions in total. Should be a nice core workout, about 10 minutes or so, I assume. 20. Larry, ready? There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and relax for a couple seconds. All right, now we're moving on to crunchy frog, one of my favorite exercises. Previous, as always, are above my head. Are you guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nice and easy. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and 1. Keep it up. 3, 4, 5, 10 left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2, and relax for a couple of seconds. And now we're moving on to the Russian twist. 1 repetition per side. So this will knock out quickly. You guys ready to go? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs up and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 20. Only 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Boom, Russian twist done. We're gonna knock this out. Sit-ups. What you do with your hands, I don't care. They can be pointing up in the air, it can be behind your neck. If they are behind your neck, do not pull on your neck, or you can leave them like I do right in front of you. And my legs are about 45 degrees like this. Make sure I don't hit my head, and ready to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go for 25. 1, 2, 3. Keep it up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 left. Keep going. 1, no breaks today. 2, 3, 4, 10 left. Ready? 1. Keep it up. 5 left. Ready? Coming up with me. 1. Come on. 2. Let's go. 3. 2 left. 1. 1 more. And 2. And lay back down to finish the reps. All right. Now moving to some side planks. For me, these are gonna be the crux of this workout, meaning the most difficult part. My obliques are relatively weak, but you know what? I'm here to do these workouts with you, like I always say. Side plank, get on your side, and we're just gonna go 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Oh boy. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. And 5. Boy, I discovered some muscles I didn't know I had. Whew, that's gonna sting tomorrow. Feeling good? Switch sides. The only reason I'm flipping down this way so I can see you guys. And we're going the other side. You guys ready to go? 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Come on. 2. Full range of motion. 3, 4. And that's 10. Keep it up. Only 15 left. We got this. 1, 2. Nice stretch. 3, 4. 10 left. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. Whew. Need a little break, but there's no breaks. We're going for scissor kicks. Nice and easy at my pace. Do not rush through these. Ready? Legs out, and let's go. 1, 2, 1, 4, 6, 7, 8. Don't rush. 9, 10. Squeeze that lower back into the ground. 12. Keep it up with me. 13, 14, 15. Good job. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Only 5 left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, and now we're going for the old leg raises slash candlestick cuddle. What you want? You're gonna kick out, kick up, kick out, and kick up. Ready? 25. Lower core. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Boom. 2. That's it. 3, 4. Stay with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. 10. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep it up. 7, 8, 9, 20. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 5. And boom, relax for just a second. All right, we're gonna continue with the lower abs area. Hand to toe alternating. Both hands back, both feet back, and we're gonna alternate. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some usually gets messed up on these. 9. The microphone's too close to my double chin. 10. That's 15. 10 left. 1, 2, 3, 5 left. Last one, and that's it, and relax. All right, I believe there's one. Yes, there is one exercise left. All right, not sure what these are called, but I've done them only once before, and they're fun to do. So we're just gonna call them plank twists. You guys ready to go? You're gonna get in a plank position, nice and stable, going for 25. Previews up on the wall. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. 15 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And that's it, guys. That's today's core workout. 250 repetitions, no repeat. I had a great time. Those side planks always kill me. I hope you're feeling as good as I am. Thank you for joining me today for Fit After 50. My name is Paul, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.